Welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to learn new topic. The lesson number 1.2, our senses. We get a lot of information about the various things in our environment through our sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and the skin are our sense organs. Let us learn more about them. Eyes. The eyes are the most important and delicate sense organs of the body. We can see the many things with our eyes. We can know they are the important characteristics such as the shape, size and color of the objects with the help of our eyes. Look at this picture. Knowledge we gain through our eyes. So we should take care of our eyes. How you take care of our eyes? Now we are going to see that. Do not read in a dim light. While watching television, do not sit too close to the TV. It may be harm on your eyes. Eat healthy food. Vitamin A is good for your eyes. Eat yellow, orange fruits and the vegetables. Avoid reading in a moving vehicle. Read with the light coming from over your shoulder. Sit upright when you read. Avoid playing with the sharp and pointed objects. They may be hurt your eyes. Always wash your eyes with the clean water. These all instructions you should be follow. It's good for your health, good for your eyes. Now we're going to see about the ears. Okay, we can hear different sounds through our ears. The nature of the sound, the direction of the sound. Look at this picture. A beat of drum, sound of alarm clock, chirping of the birds. Like that many kind of sound, we can listen it through our ears. We can recognize the person by his and her or her voice through our ears. So we should take care of our ears. Avoid listening to loud music in a closed room or through a headphone. Do not put any sharp or pointed object in your ears. Clean them gently with the soft towel. Now you understand how you take care of your ears? Okay. Now you're going to see the about the nose. We can smell things through our nose. Some things smell sweet, some things stink. The difference in the smell can be known through our nose. We remember the special things through our nose. Look at this picture. Perfume, onion, fish, flower. These all types of smell we can smell with our nose. Use a clean handkerchief to wipe your nose. Clean your nose gently after bath. Understand all of you how you take care of that? Okay. Now we're going to see about the tongue. We taste the substance with the help of our tongue. Look at the picture showing the knowledge we gain through the taste of our tongue. Sweet, bitter, sour, spicy, salty. Understand all of you? We can talk clearly with the help of our tongue. How we take care of this tongue? See in this picture, the boy clean his tongue with the tongue cleaner. Clean your tongue daily with the tongue cleaner. Understand all of you? Now we're going to see last organ, skin. We can feel the things through the contact of the skin. We can know the shape of the things, surface of the things and the temperature of the things through the contact of our skin. Look at the picture showing the knowledge we gain through the contact of our skin. See here, the boy feel hot, cold, prickly, rough, smooth, sticky. Like that, we can get the knowledge through the skin. Now you understand this lesson? Okay.